Hello students, hello guys. This is Senior College Mathematics. Topic is algebraic process. Algebraic process. Lesson 4, word problems leading to simple linear equations. Word problems leading to simple linear equations. To solve word problems leading to linear equation, first read the problem, then take the following steps. Step 1, represent the unknown or what you want to find with a letter. Step 2, if there is another unknown in the problem, represent it in terms of the letter in step 1. You know, linear equations, they are the group of equations with one unknown variable. That is why if you have two unknown variables and you represent the first with letter, you represent the second in terms of the first one. Step 3, find the relationship between the different parts of the problem. Step 4, use the relationship to form an equation and solve it. 5, check for the correctness of your solution. You know, in an equation, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So once you check and both sides are equal, it means your solution is correct. Examples. Before that, for updates, follow Voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your classmates. Facebook, fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram at PetakusEC, Telegram t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all of these platforms, you get updated from time to time about what is happening at PetakusEducation community, where you have access to quality, unlimited and simplified mathematics teachings in series. The best place to be. Example 21. A man's age is 3 times the age of his son. So as you are reading through, you note some key statements. In 10 years time, that is into the future, he will be twice as old as the son. Find the age of the son. So in this question, the unknown is the age of the son. If we apply step 1, let the son's age be S. And the question says that a man's age is 3 times the age of his son. So if the son is S, then the father's age is 3s. The next statement is that in 10 years time. Now, if somebody is S years old by 2022, it means in 10 years time, the person will be S plus 10. Get it? So in 10 years time, the son's age will be S plus 10 years and the father 3s plus 10. The question says in 10 years time, the man or the father will be twice as old as the son. So the age of the father is equal to 2 times the age of the son in 10 years time. And that is what gave birth to this statement. So what you have is a simple linear equation. You have to solve it to get the result. First, you have to open the bracket in the right hand side by using 2 to multiply s and 10. So you have 2s plus 20. You collect like terms. 2s move to join 3s. 10s move to join 20. So you have 3s minus 3s minus 2s equal to 10 minus 20. 10, okay, equal to 20 minus 10, equal to 20 minus 10. By the time you subtract, you have s equal to 10. Therefore, the son is 10 years old. Is 10 years old. Okay. Example 22. The total wage bill of a company in a month is 1.2 million naira. There are 20 workers. Those in management cadre are paid 120,000 naira a month, and others 20,000 naira. Find the number of managers in the company. So the unknown is number of managers in the company. So let the number of managers in the company be s. Meanwhile, there are 20 workers in the company. If the number of managers is s, then what of the remaining workers? So if you subtract s from 20, you get the remaining workers. So others are 20 minus s. Okay. Now a manager is paid 120,000 naira a month. Now if you have 2 managers, that means their salary will be 120,000 times 2. Now that you have s managers, their salary will be 120,000 times s. Then for the remaining workers, their salary will be 20,000 times 20 minus s. And the salary of the manager and that of other workers add up together forms the wage bill in a month, that is 1.2 million naira. So you have sum of the manager's salary and others' salary equal to 1,200,000. Okay, so you have to open the brackets. If you open it, you have 20,000 times 20, that is 400,000. 20,000 times minus s minus 20,000 s. So you add the like terms and collect like terms. So 120,000 s minus 20,000 s is 100,000 s. You take 400 to join 1,200,000, it becomes negative. By the time you subtract, you have 100,000 s equal to 800,000. To get s, divide both sides by 100,000 and s is equal to 8. Therefore, the number of managers in the company are 8. Simple analysis. Alright. Example 23. The sum of 2 consecutive even numbers is 30. Find the numbers. You know, even numbers, the difference between any 2 even numbers is 2. For instance, 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number. The difference between 4 and 2 is 2. If you look at 6 and 8, the difference is 2. So if you take the first even number to be s, the second one is not y but s plus 2. Since if you add 2 to 2, you get 4. If you add 2 to s, you have s plus 2. That gives the second even number, and their sum is 30. That is s plus s plus 2 equal to 30. If you open the bracket, you have s plus 2 equal to 30. You add like terms and collect like terms. So s plus s, 2s, you take plus 2 to meet 30, it becomes minus 2. So 2s equal to 28. To get s, divide both sides by 2. So s equal to 28 over 2, and that is 14. So if the first even number is 14, the other one become 14 plus 2. That is 16. That is 16. Okay? End of lesson 4. Thanks for watching and learning with PetakusEduCom community. Watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. Where this lesson is coming from, many more are coming your way. For inquiry, questions, any challenge, you can contact the voice of Petakus via this WhatsApp number or through the email address. For the complete package of this topic, algebraic process, lesson 1 to 15, for offline usage, you can also contact him at a very little token. You get the complete package delivered to you. Lastly, if you are not saved, you need to be saved. The only way out is to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ, because he is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, I tell you big congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. Take very good care of yourself. Stay out of trouble. Stay well. Do the needful at all time. And goodbye for now.